Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have a Mac Mini 2018 with two 4GB memory sticks. We're going to upgrade it to two matched 8GB sticks. So in total we're going to have 16GB. So first things first, power the Mac Mini down, unplug every cable. So there's no light board and no surprises. Flip the unit and pop the bottom cover off to reveal the internals. This black plastic just pops right off. Here we see the antenna plate. Loosen the screws and lift the plate just enough to move it aside. The antenna cable is thin, so treat it gently. Use a spudger or fine tweezers to unplug the antenna lead from the logic board, and then set the plate aside. Now just unscrew the fan. Once that's done, make sure there are no cables attached to the main board. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to pull it out. Once that is done, you can slide it upwards. See where the opening is and just push it a little bit and slide it out. If you don't remove the fan, you're not going to be able to slide it out. So here we see the memory cage. Release the retaining clips and tilt each existing stick up and slide it out. With memory sticks, make sure they match in type and speed before you install it. Once the new RAM is in and properly seated, it's time to put everything back. Make sure you put all the cables, attach them back onto the main board. Power the Mac Mini up and open About This Mac to confirm it now reports 16 GB of memory. If the system won't boot, power down and reseat the modules. Poorly seated sticks are usually the culprit. Or it could be faulty RAM. So that's going to be it. We've upgraded our Mac Mini 2018 from 8GB of RAM to 16 in total. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick hardware upgrades and tell me what to fix next.